What's up, buddy?
Hi. Say hello, Dan. Say hello to the.
I'm glad
to
to
the
be
vlog.
here. I'm glad to be here today. Daisy picked me up. Phil and Daisy picked me up in my house today. In Nanimo, we're in Nanimo now. So yeah, I'm looking forward for this day. Coco, do you know what Nanimo means in our language?
Nope.
It means nanay means mother. Mo means you. So your mother. It's true though.
Wait, so we're in your mother?
Wow.
Wow. We're here at the, what do you call this then?
Mapiasaran.
Huh?
Mapiasaran.
Okay, whatever he said. Ooh, the dad bod is here again.
Oh.
Holy shit.
Down again, huh?
The dad bod. You want to see the dad bod? Let's see.
There you go. There you go.
So this is guys the lake. The lake. It's the ocean of the Nanimo. So what do you call the ocean of the Nanimo? Nanimo ocean. Spiderweb. Han! Han! Hi! Hi! Oh! Hi! No, do not drink my lemonade.
Well, we're gonna go back to the camping site and let's see what happens.
Yeah! What are you doing?
Well, Daisy had the craving for pork belly today, so we went and picked up this little. It's supposed to hold your burgers, or you put like sandwiches or something in there. But we squished some pork belly in there, and then using our genius, we stacked up some wood with this rock to hold the handle on that side to keep it at the perfect cooking height. So it's just out of the reach of the flames, and it's getting all that full heat right there.
All that wood flavor. Incenting.
Gordon Ramsay would agree.
On the other hand, two naughty girls. The meat is almost ready, so we're going to make a sauce. Soy sauce. And then this one is like super sour. Okay, so I'm gonna dip my finger in there and just like try and get all this chili. And then look at this. Look at what we have here. Because I couldn't like right here in my face. I couldn't cook rice. Not with like the whole thing. I couldn't cook rice here, so we went to the grocery store and yay! A bowl of rice. You're now cutting the meat. We'll see what's
You can see. Look in
oh,
there.
it's cooked.
It's cooked.
It's cooked. Let me see. Let me eat it. Let me see. Let me eat it.
Okay, Daisy, taste test on the camera. Coco. How was it?
Good. How's it?
Good?
It's good?
Alright. Yeah,
Gonna get more of that.
gotta get more of that.
The next day.
Morning, guys. Good morning. So I I just boiled some hot water here. I'm gonna wake up Phil because we're gonna have coffee. Good morning. Good morning. Morning.
Morning.
I can't see anything.
All black.
Come on now, let's have coffee. Coffee time.
Top of the morning. Top of the morning. Top of the morning.
In the 70s.
Top of the morning. Your first time eating fresh mango?
Yeah, I've never had like original mango before.
Oh, very cool.
It's good.
It's good, right?
It's really good. Hi.
Hi. These are my girls here. They're very nice girls. You just hold them.
So this is our third day, you guys.
Want to pet him?
Sure.
He's so soft.
What?
Yeah.
How is he that soft?
Right?
Oh, crazy.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you wouldn't expect
His neck's
that.
broken.
No, it's not. Trouble. I think they're probably covered in mud because he like attacked my toes.
Yeah.
I'm like, oh, I'm wearing sandals. I'm like, no, ducky. Hey, Tiny.
Oh, yeah, grab two.
Tiny.
She's not going to be nice.
Tiny. We're gonna go home now. Ducky, go home now. Yeah. Okay, I'll see you guys in a bit.
Yeah, I'll see you.
All right.
Bye.
All right. Where are we walking?
We're gonna go and look at the ocean.
Is a trail down there to lead to the water.
Very, very.
Want to share everything?
Or there's
List right there.
It's a giant version of your pond.
Yeah. Look at this. It's huge. You only ordered one. They gave you the thing.
No worries. Perfect. Thank you very much.
Look at that.
That's a nice one right there.
What flavor do you get?
Rock World.
And I got berry berry. Alright, down this way.
Oh, she likes you.
On making new friends.
I'm so friendly. Very friendly. Oh, she really likes you, huh? Look at that. Even some kisses.
Hi guys, so we're here at Phil's cousin's place, Leanne. And then I realized I didn't have my phone with me. So I'm gonna go drive to the camping spot back and hopefully my phone is there. Just got to the campsite, so let's check if my phone is here. Holy shit. I hope my phone is here. Oh, so dumb. Look at this. It's right here. Thank God no one yeah, it's like unlikely for them to go on somebody's campsite and just pick it up. So, okay, we're gonna go back to Leanne's place.
1 hour later.
All right, where are we going?
We're gonna go get ice cream again.
Again?
Apparently Phil has cravings of ice cream.
Do you have cravings of ice cream?
Yes. Very good.
So we're back on the road again.
On the road again. I can't wait to get some ice cream again. Thanks, man.
Ooh. Is that the tiger?
This is tiger flavor.
Cool.
Very good.
Very nice. How's it
Nice.
taste?
Like tiger.
Do you feel the tiger coursing through your veins?
Yep, I do. Tiger blood.
Yeah.
Got orange. Also got tiger still.
This is the very berry,
Interesting.
Yeah, I'm gonna try this one.
and this is the tiger. That's the one I had last time.
Oh, that's nice.
And this is the chocolate.
One, two.
All right, so chocolate,
Tiger.
and very berry. Very berry.
How berry is it?
Very berry?
Very, very.
Very berry. Hi guys, so it's our last night tonight, so we're gonna ow. Ew. Oh my god, last night tonight, and we got some big fire. We're gonna go to sleep. We're gonna go to bed early tonight, right?
Yeah, so then we can get up early in the morning, so then we can leave. Yeah.
That's right. So we're gonna leave early, so that we can avoid the traffic, because everyone's gonna be out here by 11 o'clock, and everyone's gonna be going home, and there's gonna be a lot of traffic. So we're gonna try and avoid the traffic tomorrow. So, all right. Good night.
The next day.
Morning, guys. It's our last day. We are packing up.
1 hour later.
Cool, thank you very much.
We got like a $10 free because the guy in front of us like paid $10 in advance. I got a sausage egg here. So that was the end of our camping trip, camping tour.
Yep, the end.
Yep, the end.
Can you see? Can you see yourself, Coco?
Yeah.
Yeah. So it was a short one. Is it short?
No, it was pretty long. We were gone for the entire weekend.
Oh yeah. Yeah, and then but we were not really chilling the whole time. We were like going somewhere, going here, going there.
Yeah.
So it was more like a hotel that we just didn't pay for a hotel. Instead pay for.
We were homeless in a different city.
Yeah.
We enjoyed playing pretend homeless.
Yep.
Pretty much.
Yeah. So
Daisy, what was your highlight?
my highlight was seeing the dad bod. Just kidding.
Knew it.
Well, we'll catch you guys in our next vlog.
Don't bother asking us what our highlights are.
Oh, sorry. What's your highlight?
The giant ice cream. Yeah, that giant.
Oh, I
salted,
want ice cream too.
the giant salted caramel.
Oh, I shit myself last night, like, because I had 3 ice creams yesterday, so I was like 2 a.m. in the middle of the night. I was like, fuck, I gotta go! Open the shit! And then I couldn't figure out how to close it. Then I was just like, you close it! Right?
You just left it open?
Yeah, halfway.
really?
Because I was like, I couldn't close it, and then my poop's like hanging out, like it's gonna come out.
It's touching cloth already?
Yeah. Yeah. And it was wet, so like I gotta go. I have to like walk still like half kilometer. Is it?
No, it's like 100 feet.
Yeah. So I still have to walk like 100 feet or 200 feet. So it's like I have to go, and then but like when you're running, you feel like it gets like the urge is more.
It gets looser as you run.
That's right.
Each step is falling out a little bit more.
It's good. How about you, Coco?
My highlight was probably making s'mores and starting fires.
Oh, you had too much more, didn't you?
Yeah.
Coco's last fire though was really good.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was so good that I put it out twice and it was still burning.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Dogs are sleeping right now, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Dogs.
All right. So, we'll catch you guys in our next vlog. See ya.